GNS. This is at Imperial Towers, I believe. We'll go down. Turn off that fan. It's winter, we don't need it anyway. It's a nice basement. That's a rumbly door. Oh, I guess that's just the roof hatch right there. Hold up. I like that mirror. That's cool. This is what the apartment floors look like. Imperial Manor. And a nice CJ Anderson COP with your classic Chicago style elevator fixtures. You really only see these in Chicago area. Newer phone. And a very woody cab. Wood paneling as far as the eye can see.